Hey, welcome back to day 3 of the off-grid budget cabin build here at up at Mo's place up by Spokane area in Washington State. Take a look at where we're at. So last night we finished most of the siding. We finished these little corners and added all our nice tight screws on there. So the siding's all on, and it's a couple of different colors. We have some brand new stuff that we purchased, and then that green siding is helped us out. That was some leftover stuff from a project that I tore down for my property. So here we are. We've got this, the doors in, the windows in. What's next? In the middle of this rainstorm, you guessed it, it's time to put the wood on top of the roof. We need to get that roof on so that this winter weather that's coming fast, it's cold out, it's raining, probably snow soon. We want to get that up before it becomes too much of a mess. Well, we managed to use about every piece of scrap lumber that we had, but it was all good stuff. And we've got this all on the roofing. So that's there. Now it's time to climb up on the roof, put up some tar paper, and then the metal roofing. I hope this rain stops. Finally, the rain is starting to let up a little bit, for now anyway, but it's still cold as heck out. So I managed to get the tar paper on, and we use some really thick stuff. I like that thicker stuff, especially out here in the woods. This is what kind of keeps any leakers from getting underneath that metal roofing they're going to be putting in there. Give you added protection on there, that tar paper. And it's all overlapped. Put some light staples in there. The wind's not fighting us. Let's go. Yeah, this well-needed rain break is just what we needed to be able to crawl around on top of this metal roof. We got a few panels already installed. They're already cut perfectly for our length. We'll be trimming off that leftover piece of that tar paper when we're done. But won't be long. We'll get it. Oh. Just hand it here. Mo. Just hand it here. Oh, wow. Well, we got her done after, well, it wasn't quite 3 days, 2.5 days. We got her from the ground all the way up, and now it's nice and dry inside, so Mo can start finishing the rest of the interior throughout this winter. We even put a little trim around the door and the windows, so it's looking good, and I think this off-grid cabin is all set to go. What do you say, Mo?
Yeah, baby.
He says, yeah, baby. Hey, if you want some more fun, some off-grid or survival or DIY, home, auto, ATV, whatever, or maybe just shoot us a comment if you want a fun video on anything. Just subscribe to us.